Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can convert elements and shapes in your presentations on Miro into frames. This feature is super helpful when you want to turn individual components of your board into focused, presentable sections, perfect for storytelling or organizing your content neatly. So let us dive into this. First, navigate to your presentation or board. Let me go with this one here, and let me just zoom into that frame so you can see everything clearly. Now guys, you can use any element you like from your presentation. This could be a shape, text box, connector, image, or even a group of items. So what I'll do is use this text box here, for example. Or even better, we're going to use that connection between this circle and that text box. What you want to do is select the given element, in this case here, this connection. And after that, simply right-click into it. Now, from the menu that appears, select the option Create Frame, and there you go. Just like that, the selected element has been converted into a customizable frame. You'll notice that the new frame automatically adjusts to match the size of the element, roughly at least, so it fits neatly around it. And that's basically it. That's how it works. But before we wrap up, here are a few extra tips to help you get the most out of this feature. You can rename your frame right away to keep your board organized. For example, call it Intro Section or Process Step 1. Frames can be reordered or rearranged in the sidebar on the left-hand side if you plan to present your board as a slideshow. If you want to include multiple elements inside the same frame, just select them all first, right-click, and then choose Create Frame. Miro will automatically wrap all selected items together. You can also change the frame's color and style to make your sections visually distinct, which helps when presenting complex boards. Frames are especially powerful in presentation mode, where each frame acts as an individual slide, so converting elements into frames can really help you build structured, professional-looking presentations directly within Miro. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and learned something new today. If you did, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our next tech tutorial. We'll see you next time on our channel. Happy creating!